I swear you must to pick this call today, oh. Why this guy no one gree me rest? Mourinho, wetin dey worry you na? Why you go dey give me 85 missed calls? You no get to work? You don kill my battery finish. Na my phone you wan kill. Wetin dey do you sef? I just wan ask you one small question. Which kind small question wey go make you dey give person 85 missed calls? Cool down na. Hear me first na. I just wan ask you. Bros, how market for Wembley na? Na that be the question you wan ask me? Na. I wan know as e dey be for you na. As Pochettino don spoil your runs. Wetin do your sorry ball na? You know where? No be you dey laugh me pass when Tottenham win me. Nah, your sorry ball don turn to sorry ball. I no laugh you. I bin wan help you. As your own bin wan turn to natural occurrence. I no blame you. You still get mouth to talk. After they don use na chop suya for Wembley.